Ready to transform ordinary cookies into stunning plaid masterpieces that will wow everyone. First, you'll need baked sugar cookies. Roll icing in different colors on using red, green, and white piping bags, and a scribe tool or toothpick. Make sure your icing is the right consistency, not too runny, not too thick. Start by outlining and flooding your cookie with a base color. I'm using white. Give it a gentle shake to even it out. Let it dry completely, which can take several hours or even overnight. This is crucial for clean lines. Once the base is dry, pipe thin, horizontal lines of your first color. Let's use red. Space them evenly across the cookie. Don't worry about perfection. Slight variations add character. Now, pipe thin, vertical lines of your second color. I'm using green perpendicular to the red lines. Again, spacing them evenly. While the icing is still wet, take your scribe tool and drag it through the points where the red and green lines intersect. This will slightly blend the colors and create those darker squares that are characteristic of plaid. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated plaid cookie. Feel free to add some sprinkles or edible glitter for extra festive flair. Don't forget to share your creations and tag us. Happy baking! #plaid cookies, #cookie decorating.